everyone, my name is Daisy and today we're going to be using some daisy bands. First and foremost, I want to show you how to properly put on the band. And what's awesome about it is that it has a thigh grip inside, so you don't have to worry about it slipping off. It's just going to be snug right on your thigh. We're going to be doing some body squats. Shoulder feet apart, make sure your back straight, make sure you stretch that band out, feet out, and we're just going to be going down. And once you're down, you want to stretch out the band, Once you're done with your rest and water break, you go ahead and start all over again, doing the exercises 3 more times. This one we're going to be doing side laterals. With your legs, we're going to be holding ourselves onto something sturdy, and we're going to be stretching out the band like so. We're going to be squeezing our core as we go as well. So once again, we're going to be doing 3 sets of 12. So next workout we're going to be doing is lunges. Super easy, super fun with the daisy band, of course. You're going to have the daisy band on your thighs, right? You want to make sure your back is always straight. We're going to be starting with our right leg to the back, making sure your back is straight, core is tight, and we're going to be moving up and we're going to be squeezing. Once again, make sure your back is straight, down, up, and squeezing. We're going to go ahead and switch to the left leg. The same thing, make sure your core's tight, your back is straight, and your leg is kind of out to yourself. And move 12. Make sure you squeeze. Awesome guys, you guys did such a great job. That was a set of 3, and for each set we're going to be doing 12 on each leg. You're going to have to go ahead and grab a seat, a chair, anything that's sturdy. Sit down, make sure your back's straight. Okay, so for this workout we are going to be inwards, outwards, inwards, like so. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 12. So each time you're out, you're going to pause for 3 seconds. In, out. Stretching the band out. Make sure your back's straight as well, your core tight. water. We're gonna be putting our feet together, band secured tightly, right? We're going to be stretching out the band like so, keeping your back straight, your core straight as well. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 12. Let's begin. Slowly stretching out that band. And if your legs ain't shaking, you ain't baking. Period. Okay, so once you're done with that, make sure you drink water and take a rest period in between sets, 30 to 35 seconds. Hi everyone, again. So for this one, we're gonna be doing elevated squats, right? You're going to need a table, and I found myself one right here at the park. You're gonna be using the daisy bands, of course. So for this one, just like a regular squat, but after you're done with the squat, you're going to be climbing up the bench and doing a squat as well. Going down, squat. And once again, we're going to be doing those 3 sets for 12. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure your band's where you want it to be. Back straight. Stretching out that band for maximum gains. So once you're done with your left leg, you're going to go ahead and switch out to your right leg, okay? Same thing, 12 sets. That was the end of our workout with using the daisy bands. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you guys want me to try out any new workouts that you guys want me to use using the daisy bands, I would love to do that. Thank you guys so much, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye!